Sai Ram children. So today we are going to do craft, and in craft we are going to make a ladybug, paper ladybug. So here I have taken two craft paper. One is of red color and one is of black color. Now here in the black colored sheet I have made two circles. One is small and second one is big. Now here in the red one I have made one more circle which is bigger than the previous one. Now first I am going to cut them out. First I'll take the black sheet. Now I'm going to cut this circle. After this, the next I am going to cut the smaller one. So here I have cut the multiple number of circles, small circle. Now after this, here I'll take the black sheet and then I'll just fold it out, and after this, here I have cut the two strips. Now next, same process will be done in the red craft paper. Here I have made a bigger circle, that also I am going to cut. So here I have cut the four circles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the next step is to do the pasting. So here I have taken the first circle. Now I'll fold it out like this. After this, the second one. Now the third one. And the fourth one. Here I have folded all the circles. After this, I'll take the strip and then paste the smaller circle with the help of glue. Now same process will be done in the other strip also. Now next I have taken the black circle. I'll put some glue here. After putting the glue, I'll paste these eyes. After pasting it, now next step is to take the red circle, that is the folded red circle. Now I'll put some glue here. Now I'll paste the second. Again I'll put some glue and adjust it. Again I'll paste the glue here, and then again I'll paste the last one. Now after this, as you can see, the space between them. Here I'm going to put the glue so that it can stick it out. Now I'm going to paste them together with the help of glue. Now the last step is to paste the smaller circle. So here I'm going to paste all these circles here in all the portions. 2 circles I have pasted here. Now 2 circles in the other portion. After this, here also I'm So children, as you can see, here I have stick all the circles. So now our ladybug is ready. So children, you also have to make this at your home. Okay? Thank you all. Sai Ram.